Hey, hi all. Today we will learn about the tools available for the API testing in the market. And second thing is installation of the Postman tool, because going forward we are going to use Postman tool for the API testing. Okay, so let's check for the tools available. So for REST API manual testing, there are multiple tools available. I have listed few of them. So first one is a Postman, which is a pretty famous and it's an open source tool. Second one is a Thunder client. It's a Visual Studio Code extension. The third one is a Test Sigma, and the fourth one is a Catalan Studio. Okay. For SOAP API manual testing, so there is a one open source tool available, which is SOAP UI. It is created by SmartPeer. Okay. So let's move for the installation of the Postman tool. So what I will do, I will open the browser and just type the Postman download. Okay. So after entering the text, we need to first select the first link. Okay. So if you see, this is the UI of the Postman tool of the web application. Okay. So here you need to click on the Windows 64-bit installation file. Okay. So I just click on this. So it will start downloading. Okay. But as I have already downloaded, so what I will do, I will just double click on the link. Okay. So here just need to click on the run button, so it will start the installation process. Okay, as you can see, installation is going on. Okay, so after installation gets completed, the Windows Postman tool application gets open. Okay, so this is the UI of the Postman tool. Okay, so here you can create the API testing, whatever testing you need to create, you can create here. Okay, first what we need to do, we need to first create an account in the Postman tool. Okay, for that you just need to click on the create account here. We'll go to the, okay, so it will open the Postman tool application on the browser. Okay, so as I have not created any account, so let's create new one. Okay, and just click on the create free account. Okay, so when the account is created, we can directly open the Postman tool. So from here, the our work on the web page is done. Okay, so we again move to the Postman tool. Okay, so it is getting loaded. Okay, so here we need to provide some name. I am providing my name here. What is the role? We can say QA engineer, quality engineer. Okay, and just click on the continue button. Okay, so here is the landing page of the Postman tool. Okay, so here you can create the multiple API requests. What are the types of requests available, like put, post, patch, delete. Okay, so we will go through each API request in detail in the next few videos. Okay, so that's it from the video. Thank you.